Okay, here we are in Catnapper to talk about one of our most popular lift remotes that comes with one of our lift chairs. It's this one right here. So has double lift on it. It's got heat and massage built into it. Unfortunately, like all things, if this remote gets beat up too bad or used too much or people play with the buttons, this remote can go out, and you'll know it's out because either the lights won't go on, or so you can see the light comes on here, or if it just stops lifting. In this case, this remote still does work, but we just want to show you what'll happen is if you need to replace this, we're going to send you out this remote and the whole kit. You need to replace the whole part of this remote. You can't just replace the remote, you need to replace the kit. Like I said, we're going to send out that whole thing. It's going to come with a junction box and all the wires for heat and massage. We'll show you a picture here so that you can see exactly what it's all going to come with. But when we send this remote out, it's really actually a simple fix. It looks like it's complicated, it's really not. But replace it all with this one. We'll get your lift chair working again. And if you have any questions or issues, that's what we're here for. We have support that we can help you with to walk you right through it to make sure we can get it installed for you.